Id-dinja għada f'nofs pandemija illi bidlet xi ftit jew wisq il-mod kif ngħixu. Ħafna qalu li effett wieħed tal-pandemija huwa li qed jaraw aktar effetti tax-xjuħija. Dwar dan Net News tkellem ma' Anadela Serra Visconti, esperta Taljana ta' sbuħija li ta' spiss tkun mistiedna fuq l-istazzjonijiet televiżivi ewlenin tal-Italja. Staqsejnija fost l-oħrajn jekk hux vera li l-pandemija xejħitna.
I don't think so, but I prefer to think that it's a second life after COVID, because people likes to be wonderful again, because with the mask everybody has been covered for so long.
Iżda Serra Visconti qalet li fil-waqt li l-maskri li lbisna waqt ix-xhur tal-pandemija ipproteġewna minn ħafna affarijiet, mhux biss mill-Mart, ħallewna wkoll xi tikmixa żejda madwar l-għajnejn.
I think so, because the shape of the mask has been pushing this part of the face, but from the other side protected us also from the sun and the wind and the cold, so there is a double face of the mask.
Fl-aħħar snin f'pajjiżna żdied in-numru ta' persuni li jażlu li jagħmlu diversi interventi estetiċi, fosthom kirurġiji ta' sbuħija u interventi biex jitneħħa piż-żejjed. Iżda dan jidher li mhuwiex fenomenu li qed jaffettwa biss lil Maltin u lanqas ma hu xi ħaġa ta' dawn l-aħħar snin biss.
People is living longer. So before, a woman of 40 years old was an old woman. Now 40 years old is nothing for women and also for men. So people is taking more care about themselves and they like to look better. But I think that also in the ancients, the Romans and the Greeks, they are very careful with their body. They take care a lot. So is now, but it was also in the ancient periods.
U jekk sa ftit ta' snin ilu d-dinja tal-estetika kienet iffokata fil-biċċa l-kbira tagħha fuq il-mara, illum dan m'għadux il-każ kif aktar u aktar irġiel qed ifittxu trattamenti u interventi biex jidhru dejjem aħjar.
I think so, because they are also some men is sometimes obsessed, but also some women. But I think that a little bit is wonderful, is nice for men and women. Too much is not really the perfect thing to be.
Tlabna lil Anadela Serra Visconti tatina parir wieħed għal min irid iżomm ruħu b'dera aktar żagħżugħa.
The best thing is think that you can live longer and keep young if you have a program in your head. So if you decide, you can.
Insomma, skont din l-esperta Taljana, iżbuħija tinbet l-ewwel u qabel kollox fil-moħħ.